This is how to use RDP on your Windows laptop. In this video, I'll be teaching you a simple way on how to access your RDP. First of all, click on Windows and arrow. That's Windows and arrow. Then type MSTSC. Then click OK. So this is where you will input your IP. So copy your IP and paste it here. Then click on connect. Then click on connect. As you can see, it's connecting. So the next step is to input our username and password. Input the username of the RDP. Paste it, then input the password. So if you need a strong RDP, I will leave a link below where you can get a very strong one. Click on yes. As you can see, it's connecting. So as you can see, we are now inside the RDP. This is a brand new RDP. So let's test out our network and our IP. Click on Chrome. So go to hoa.net to check if the IP matches with our IP on our RDP. So okay, connected. As you can see, we have 38684663. As you can see, we are now connected to US RDP. So this is a simple way you log in your RDP. So let's check. You can now browse, go to your Chrome and browse. Let's check out the speed of the internet. As you can see, this RDP is very fast, so you can now browse with your RDP. So if you need a strong RDP, I'll leave a link where you can get it. So do it to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question, comment down below.